I hate mornings, but on day 5 we planned a visit to the island of Ithaca and the ferry was leaving at 8:15 am. We needed to get from here to here, and initially we chose this road. Since it rained the night before, we had to go back after a few kilometers and pick this road. We made it on time for the ferry. There were 2 trips that day in the morning and at 3 pm, each returning to Sami 30 minutes after. We pay €50 round trip, 2 adults and 1 car. I definitely recommend you to go to Ithaca by car, otherwise you have to take a cab from the port, which is far away from, well, everything. I made another video specifically for our trip to Ithaca and you can watch it by clicking the upper right side card, which opens about now. First stops were 2 nice beaches, Sarakinico and Filiatro. We then got back to the capital of Vathy to the narrow streets and continued our journey to Stavros. Polis beach was perfect for the first time of the day. So we went here, arrival port, Vathy, then the 2 beaches, then Polis beach. It remained Frikes, Kioni, Anogi, then the ferry back home. The second bath of the day was at Frikes beach, which for our taste is an awesome one. Also in Frikes we had lunch at Odysseus restaurant, €25 tips included. When we got back to the ferry, we chose another road through Anogi for a spectacular view of the bay where Vathy is located. On our way back to Kefalonia, since we were no longer in a hurry, we decided to take the even longer road home and I tried to get some shots of the shore roads which connects Poros and Skala. After a few minutes, one of these guys decided to defend its territory, so my drone took the shorter route to safety. After all, we were on his land and we call it a day. Dinner was at Blue Sea restaurant in Vlahata, Lourdes Beach, €36 including dessert and tips. What we didn't know was that our plans that evening were going to make us soaking wet the next day. Stay tuned, bye!